Take a battery, and your knife will be sharper than ever. A dull kitchen knife can be sharpened with a regular battery. When a knife no longer cuts as well, using it becomes a hassle. It squashes tomatoes instead of slicing them, and cutting other things becomes difficult. A paper test shows that the knife still cuts, but barely. Our grandmothers sharpened knives with a cup. My grandmother also had her favorite cup for this purpose. She would turn the cup upside down. There was a rough edge without polish on the bottom of the cup. Knives are sharpened on the edge of the cup at the proper angle. You have to remember that. You can sharpen the knife from both sides this way. But even after sharpening like this, the knife isn't as sharp as a razor. That's why you need a battery. But first, take toothpaste. Any kind will do. Apply it with a stick along the edge of the blade. Don't do this with your fingers to avoid getting cut. Apply toothpaste on the other side as well. Now, take the battery. Remove the foil from it. Find the edge of the foil and start peeling it off there. Hold the battery and start running it along the blade at a gentle angle, from the tip of the knife to the handle. Do this many times. Turn the knife over and use the battery on the other side too. A knife sharpened in this way will eventually be perfect. You can sharpen all your knives like this. It will easily cut even soft tomatoes. It will also effortlessly cut through paper. I was convinced these scissors were beyond saving. They had been sticking for a long time and could barely cut through paper anymore. I was already thinking about buying a new pair, but luckily I came across a simple household trick that truly surprised me. Take a regular jar and add some baking soda. Next, add a pinch of salt and pour in some vinegar. The ingredients will start reacting immediately, creating an active mixture that can help loosen dirt and buildup. Place the scissors inside so the blades are well submerged. Leave them in the mixture for a few minutes. During that time, buildup and grime will begin to loosen. Remove the scissors from the jar, dry them thoroughly with a paper towel, and gently wipe the blades clean. You'll notice the difference almost immediately. The scissors will move more smoothly and cut through paper with ease again. This simple trick can bring old scissors back to life in just a few minutes. Give it a try yourself. Never throw away old razors. Instead of spending money on new blades, try this genius trick. Look at this razor. Over time and with use, the blades become dull. They lose their sharpness because during shaving, they come into contact with tough hair and skin. Take a glass bowl. It should be big enough to cover the razor head. Pour warm water into it. The temperature is very important. It shouldn't be too hot or too cold. Now, add some salt and white vinegar. The salt helps dissolve residue, while vinegar acts as a natural cleaner. Then add isopropyl alcohol. This step is crucial because alcohol removes grease, dirt, and shaving residue, making the blades cleaner and more effective. Mix everything well so that the ingredients combine. Carefully place the used razors into the bowl, ensuring they are completely submerged. Cover the container with a plate and let it sit for 30 minutes. After this time, take the razors out of the mixture and dry them. Thanks to this method, the razors regain their sharpness and cut like new. No more constantly buying new razors. Now, each one will last much longer. I'll show you how to sharpen scissors using a regular coin. They'll be razor sharp. My grandparents taught me this simple trick. Over time, scissors tend to get dull and even rusty. See? Even a quick test with a plastic bag and a sheet of paper shows they've lost their edge. First, grab some regular toothpaste. It has abrasive properties that work perfectly to clean and prep the metal before sharpening. Apply a thin layer of toothpaste all over the scissors, on both sides and around the screw. Use an old toothbrush to spread and rub the paste into the metal surface. Let it sit for about 2 minutes. This gives the paste time to do its job. Now, take an ordinary coin. Hold it at about a 40-degree angle to the blade and rub it back and forth with steady pressure. Do around 30 strokes, then repeat the same on the other blade. the scissors will regain their original sharpness. They'll easily cut through paper or plastic. This trick saves you money on sharpening tools or buying new scissors. It's a handy home hack worth knowing. You don't have to replace it. Just do this. Here's how to fix your blender. Don't throw it away. A cheap and easy method will make it like new. It's worth knowing that this simple trick can keep your appliance in good condition for a long time. Aluminum foil can be our lifesaver when the blender stops working properly. Just tear a few sheets of aluminum foil into smaller pieces. Then, place them in the blender jar. Now, turn on the appliance and blend the small pieces of aluminum foil. It's best to use a low speed. See the shavings that form during the sharpening process. After a moment, remove the blended foil from the blender. You can now check the blades. They will be like new. The blender will once again allow you to prepare juices, drinks, and all other products. It turns out that this solution is perfect, and there's no need to resort to replacing the entire appliance. This way, the device will serve you for a long time. Nie musisz go wymieniać, wystarczy, że zrobisz to. Tak naprawisz swój blender. Nie wyrzucaj go. Tanim i łatwym sposobem będzie jak nowy. Warto wiedzieć, że ten prosty patent pozwala utrzymać urządzenie w dobrej kondycji przez długi czas. Folia aluminiowa może okazać się naszym kołem ratunkowym, kiedy blender przestaje spełniać swoje funkcje. Wystarczy, że porwiesz kilka arkuszy folii aluminiowej na mniejsze kawałki. Następnie umieść je w kielichu blendera. Teraz włącz urządzenie i zblenduj małe kawałki folii aluminiowej, najlepiej na niskich obrotach. Zobacz, jakie wiórki powstały podczas ostrzenia. Po chwili wyjmij zblendowaną folię z blendera. Możesz teraz sprawdzić ostrza, będą jak nowe. Blender znów pozwoli Ci na przyrządzanie soków, napojów i wszelkich innych produktów. Okazuje się, że to rozwiązanie jest perfekcyjne i nie trzeba uciekać się do wymiany całego urządzenia. Dzięki temu sprzęt będzie służył Wam jeszcze długo. Soak your razor in salt. No more spending a fortune on new blades. Over time, razor blades become dull from contact with hair and dead skin. But there's a simple trick to restore them. Fill a small bowl with 1 liter of hot water to help dissolve buildup. Add 3 tablespoons of vinegar, a natural antibacterial agent that removes grease and limescale and prevents bacterial growth, which is crucial for items that touch your skin daily. Next, add 2 tablespoons of table salt. Salt acts as a gentle abrasive, helping remove skin residue and tiny hair particles. Combined with vinegar, it forms a powerful solution to refresh your razor blades. Stir the mixture until the salt dissolves, then submerge your used razors. Gently tap the blades together to loosen trapped hairs and debris. Cover the bowl with a plate and let it sit for 20 minutes. This gives the solution time to clean, disinfect, and restore the blades. Afterward, dry the blades with a towel. With this simple method, your razors will cut like new, saving you money and keeping your grooming sharp.